Welcome to our video about programming your ProTalk unit. As a quick introduction, Impact Technical Products is the national representative for ProTalk, formerly Barnett Engineering. In this video, we will discuss how to program the ProTalk CV3, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out to your local Impact representative. The first step is programming the inputs to the CV3, specifically what your incoming alarms are and how you receive them. This is the default database. The first two alarms are on by default. Here you would switch it to whatever you have in the field. Only the last four alarms can be programmed with the analog 420 mA input type. Within the analog type, you can set a delay if the value will be constantly changing, and you want to know if it's too high or too low. Here you will also set your measurement values for what 0 and 100 means. Hysteresis denotes the tolerance for either side of the range, basically the resolution. Now you will set the high and low points. Input 11 is an internal alarm for power failure. The next step is outputs. There are 4 relays on the CV3 which can be configured to output based on a specific alarm. Next is the callout section. This screen denotes who is getting calls and in what order. You can define the shifts to ensure the day crew or night crew is being called at the correct time. Once your groups are set, you can return to inputs and specify which alarms are to go to which group. The next screen is reports. Here you set the site name, which shows up in text messages and emails. Status report sends the current status of the device. Alarm notifications are more supervisory and will send a report to someone anytime an alarm goes off. This is not the same as an alarm text, just that the site is in alarm. The summary report can be set to send a log of the alarms sent at a certain time interval. The General tab defines things that are not defined elsewhere, such as the operation settings, email settings, radio interface, power options, and security settings. Programming is where the actual database of alarm and voice is created. Cell phone reads out the status of the current network connection. Device settings include the clock, which is by default in Mountain Standard Time. Alarm monitoring is a summary of the alarms, and event logger is a log of every single event within the system, including a power failure, cell phone callout fail, and alarm. This has been a quick summary of the programming of the CV3. If you have any questions, please contact your local Impact representative.